Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to save emails in the new Outlook and also explain why when you drag emails to your desktop, they save as .aml instead of .msg and how you can properly save them as .msg format. So first, let's understand this. When you are using the new Microsoft Outlook and you simply drag an email from Outlook to your desktop, it usually gets saved as a .aml file. So now what is .aml file? A .aml file is a standard email format used by many email applications. It stores the full email content like sender, subject, message, and attachments. The good thing is that it can be opened in browser, other email clients, and even some text tools. But it is not the native Outlook format. So now if you want the original Outlook format, which is .msg, here is the correct method. To save email is a .msg file. So first open Microsoft New Outlook. Then right click on the email. From the menu, choose Save As. Now select the file type as Outlook message format MSG. After that, choose the location where you want to save it, like your desktop or folder, and click OK. And your email will be saved as proper.msg file. So that's how you can control the file format when saving emails in Outlook. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.